Welcome to my channel Tech Truth Reviews, how to sign up for Roku in 2025 step-by-step guide for new users. Signing up for a Roku account is a straightforward process required to activate a Roku device, access streaming apps, manage subscriptions, and personalize your entertainment experience. Below are 10 key points detailing how to sign up for a Roku account, along with relevant tips and considerations, based on the latest information as of June 2025. This guide is designed to be concise and practical for new users. Why you need a Roku account. A Roku account is essential to activate your Roku streaming device or Roku TV, access thousands of apps, like Netflix, Hulu, or the Roku channel, manage subscriptions via Roku Pay, and customize your home screen. It's free to create, with no monthly fees for using free channels, though premium subscriptions or rentals require payment. Visit the Roku website. To sign up, go to https://my.roku.com/signup using a web browser on your computer, smartphone, or tablet. This is the primary method for creating a Roku account. Ensure you're on the official Roku website to avoid phishing scams, as the sign-up page will never ask for sensitive information beyond what's needed for account creation. Provide basic information. You'll need to enter your first and last name, a valid email address, and a secure password. The email will be used for account verification and communication, so use one you actively check. Roku requires a password that meets basic security standards, e.g., a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Verify your email. After submitting your information, Roku sends a verification email to the address you provided. Open the email and click the verification link to activate your account. This step is crucial to complete the sign-up process and link your Roku device. Check your spam or junk folder if the email doesn't appear within a few minutes. Add a payment method, optional. During sign-up, Roku may prompt you to add a payment method, e.g., credit card or PayPal, for Roku Pay, which facilitates subscriptions, free trials, or content purchases. You can skip this step if you don't plan to buy premium content, as no payment is required for free channels or basic account use. A PIN can be set to authorize purchases for added security. Link your Roku device. After creating your account, connect your Roku device to your TV via an HDMI cable, not included, and power it on. Follow the on-screen prompts, which include selecting your language and connecting to Wi-Fi. The device will display a unique activation code. Visit https://my.roku.com/link on your browser, sign in with your new account, and enter the code to link the device. Complete device setup. Once linked, your Roku device will update its software and channels automatically. This process may take a few minutes. After the update, you can access the Roku home screen, browse free and paid apps, and start streaming. If you encounter issues, ensure a stable internet connection or try restarting the device. Using the Roku mobile app. Alternatively, you can manage your account via the Roku mobile app, available on iOS and Android. After signing up on the website, download the app, sign in, and use it to control your device, browse content, or adjust basic account settings like notifications or shortcuts. The app is less comprehensive than the website for account management but offers convenience for on-the-go changes. Troubleshooting sign-up issues. If you face issues like an incorrect password, error, or failure to receive the verification email, try clearing your browser cache, using a different browser, or checking your internet connection. For persistent problems, contact Roku support via https://support.roku.com, selecting Account, Payments, and Subscriptions to reach the billing team or a live representative. Do you need a Roku account? While a Roku account is required to use Roku's streaming features, you can skip sign-up if using the device solely as a dumb TV with an external input, e.g., cable box via HDMI. However, without an account, you can't access apps, adjust advanced settings, or receive software updates. Signing up unlocks features like personalized recommendations and voice control, even for minimal users. In summary, signing up for a Roku account involves visiting https://my.roku.com/signup, entering basic details, verifying your email, and linking your device with an activation code. The process is free, quick, and enhances your streaming experience with access to thousands of channels. For purchases, adding a payment method is optional, and the Roku mobile app offers additional flexibility. Always use official Roku websites or support channels to ensure security and resolve any issues. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.